Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You open Messenger and tap the search bar immediately. This shows recent searches and suggestions. Once visible, you can remove single entries right away by pressing and holding or swiping, depending on your device, which prevents them from reappearing. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you don't clear someone else's history. If you want a wider cleanup, look for the settings or privacy options next. They let you remove more than isolated entries and explain what each delete action does. Now focus on removing specific items. Long press or swipe a search suggestion and confirm delete. This removes that suggestion from the list. Once done, open Conversations, where you frequently search for messages, tap the conversation info or profile, and clear in chat search history if that option exists. Make sure to repeat this for other accounts or devices where you're logged in because Messenger syncs suggestions. After removing items, revisit the search bar to verify they no longer appear and to confirm sync has completed. To fully wipe search history, go to Settings, then Privacy or Account Settings, and choose Clear Search History or similar. This removes all stored queries across searches. Once done, sign out and sign back in or force close and reopen the app to make sure changes sync to the server and other devices. If entries still reappear, update Messenger, and if necessary, clear the app cache or data. Note that clearing data signs you out. If problems continue, check connected apps and browser autocomplete separately, since those can repopulate search suggestions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.